Hello, welcome back to another software developer profile review. My name's David. I am a software developer with over 20 years of experience. That's a long time. I have also managed international recruitment teams. I want to show you what recruiters see, why they might be rejecting you, why they might be putting you forward. To give you the feedback that you don't always get. This feedback will be honest, sometimes a little bit brutal. I don't mean it to be brutal. I just want to be direct because there's no point you not having any feedback and just disappearing thinking that everything's fine if it's not. So if I see something, I'm going to say it. I don't mean to be cruel. I love you. This is more about trying to help people, not hinder people. So without further ado, let's get on with the review. If you would like a review yourself, please head over to crushing.digital and click the profile review button. It's all free. There's a bit of a queue, but I'll get to you as soon as possible. There's also a free careers Q&A session on a Friday, so I hope to see you there. Come along and ask me anything. There's courses and books and all that sort of stuff from me, and if you want those, great. If you don't, whatever. So let's get on with the review. Today, here we go with names again. Vignesha. If I'm close, wonderful. If I'm not, feel free to abuse me. And the profile was described as a front-end developer with React. So let's dig into it. The banner image tells me you're a software developer, but doesn't tell me doing what. It doesn't tell me front-end, back-end, full stack, or give me any indication of the tech. So that's not great. That's my alarm for my office hours. If you've bought my course, that you can join there's 2 career sessions every week. Come along and ask me things. It's private to those people that are on the course. But let's get back to the review. So profile picture's good. The headline again doesn't tell me much. I don't even know what MCA is. I'm sure I'm supposed to know. Anyway, software developer doing what? So I'm no further along. I'm going to open this up, so there's nothing else for me to go and see, so we're praying I can get somewhere further on. Oh, there is a portfolio, my mistake. Boom, let's open that and have a look. So we get down to the featured section. Great that you've got featured things, but what, without me opening them, let's see, because there's a few words on the page here. What do you tell me? You're thrilled to announce. I'm thrilled for you. I express my sincere gratitude. Boom. Graduating in Bachelor of Computer Application. Okay, so it's not really helping me much. I'd have to go and read them. I'm a recruiter. I'm lazy. I don't like to read. So I might open those up and have a look, but you could do more is what I'm trying to get at. We will open all of your activity anyway to see what you do talk about. And the About section. Strong in design and integration with intuitive problem solving skills. I don't believe you. Proficient in Java. Okay. Weren't we going with React? And web development. Passionate about implementing and launching new products. Ability to translate business requirements. Now I'm wondering. Okay. If it's Java, and I've misread it, then cool. But okay. I'm still trying to establish. So it looks like Java now. Passionate about implementing and launching new projects. I don't believe you. I do believe you, but I'm trying to show you what a recruiter might think. Ability to translate business requirements into technical solutions. Developer. Looking to start the career as an entry-level software engineer with a reputed firm driven by technology. So I think you could do far more with that. Let's get down to the experience. Lecturing a DBMS, so database management system and data structure course. Using Java. So you're Java. I think I've read it wrong. I think you're a Java developer. Okay. But doing what? If you're good enough to lecture it, you should know it. So what you could unpack that and tell me the syllabus about what you're teaching. So that doesn't help me much. So the machine learning intern. Okay, a bit of a change there. Machine learning, a deep learning model for automatic emotion analysis from textual comments and feedback. Machine learning and Python. And you completed it and got a certificate. And then before that, it's React. So I'm now lost thinking, And that front end web developer, if I was right that it was React, then doing you said you use React, MongoDB, MySQL, JavaScript, CSS, and HTML, but you haven't told me in that time you were there, what did you build? What did you learn? What were the challenges? How did you overcome them? I feel like this is just wasted opportunity here. This is all education stuff. I'm just going to skip it because I want to see actual real value. So, what do you talk about? You've got a certificate. I always say no one cares about your certificate. There's a ton of value. There's 125 hours and we boiled it down to a picture. So there's so much more we can do here. There should be a series of posts about everything you learned and all the problems you had to overcome in doing that. You've graduated, there's pride and accomplishment and excitement. Not for me, there's not. I know I'm being harsh. I'm just trying to drill the point home. I express my gratitude upon me for something that I don't understand. An offer letter. You got an internship, another certificate. Where's the value to me? What have you been doing? Show me how you're learning, how you're progressing. Okay, so there's not much there. We should be unpacking all the stuff. Let's go and look at this. So if this is... What I normally tell people is when I look at your LinkedIn profile, we should just work on LinkedIn. It should be very clear and very apparent about what you want to do, what you're skilled at, and, and how you go about it. And then once we fix that, we can apply that mantra then to your GitHub profile, to your portfolio website. So if I arrive cold here, what do? I'm post-graduated in computer applications, 100%, blah, 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 blah. I'm skipping it. So it's C and Java. So C now, or PHP and Python. Oh, I don't know what you do. So you do React and Node as well. I don't know. When I look at this, this looks nice, but I'm guessing this is just a plugin thing. So, okay. See, when I hover over these, I don't like this. This makes me worried. How this looks makes me worried. I would clean this up. I know you're new to this, but when you're, certainly if it's going to be front-end roles you're applying for, that's going to worry people. All the values down here, I hate the way, look at all this. This puts people off. So at the minute, it's don't rotate the text. Yeah, I just think at the minute I'm not sure what you do. I'm certainly not feeling positive when I go through. It's not funneling me through. It's not showing me the proactivity. You've got a profile, but where's the learning? Where's the how you're taking what you're learning and applying it? You're able to teach something. You know something well enough. You know database management systems and data structures to teach them in Java. You should be able to talk about this, forevermore. So even if you've got some machine learning experience, you could unpack that. 4 months has got boiled down to a line, and here 2 months got boiled down to a line. 6 months got boiled down to just the skills. This is the classic mistake that developers make. They think because they've got an entry in their experience which says I was here, that people just go, oh, you must have been doing fabulous stuff. And it's not. And this is why the best developers rarely get the job. It's the ones that sell themselves that do. And unfortunately, you're just not selling it. So at this stage, I'd be passing it up. Because for Java, I didn't see enough. And for React, it didn't seem to be all about React up here. It seemed to be about other things. And then when I got here, if it was about React, I'd be concerned about how this looks. I'd be starting to fix a lot of these simple things. I mean, you could fix this by literally plugging in Bootstrap or Tailwind or something, and very quickly it would be a lot clearer and a lot better. Anyway, hope that helps. Sorry for being harsh. Let me know if you've got any questions, and I'll see you in the next one. Take it easy.